I'm Natalie Ehrlich at the New York Stock Exchange. Stone, one of the latest companies to go public on the New York Stock Exchange, is partnering with U.S. multinationals to bring about innovations in healthcare to China. Here to discuss a little bit more about that is Panha Chheng. He's a director at Stone. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you. Yeah.
And thank you for giving us some insight about this new trend in China.
Sure. As a company, we routinely help multinational clients of ours enter the Chinese market. In one specific instance, we're working with one of the leading technology companies and one of our largest clients in the United States to help them bring some of their healthcare solutions to China, and in particular, a specific city, Wuxi, which, as been mentioned previously, is a center of healthcare reform and also a pilot city for emerging technologies. So in this specific deal, what we've done is we've worked with this partner to take their technology and adapt it for the Chinese market, and then effectively we provide it as a service then to the Chinese citizens.
Great. What's unique about this partnership?
What's unique about this partnership is that the technology itself is unique in that there's a lot of different point solutions for different aspects of healthcare, but this is a really important technology in its ability to harmonize the health data from the hospitals to the patients to the doctors to pharmacies and so on. And so the technology itself is unique and has specific application in the Chinese environment because of the nuance of the Chinese environment, where such enabling technologies where patients can actually become more empowered over their own healthcare really goes a long way in China, where otherwise there's a lot of centralization of healthcare, and it's not always the most efficient use of healthcare resources.
Could you give me an example? How does this technology bring back power to the person?
Well,
to the individual.
Sure. The technology is effectively a personal health record system, which connects together individual health records and helps share it across the different networks within a healthcare system. So if you go to a hospital and you have a visit, then that health record is logged in a secure and centralized site, and then you can then access that information from your own home PC. You can upload information from medical devices you may use, like a blood pressure monitor or something like that, and update your health record continuously. And you can also connect it to your regular primary care physician or pharmacies and so on. So what it really does is it brings together these disparate bits of healthcare information and it builds the bridges for sharing this information across the different healthcare entities.
Do you think this kind of technology could eventually find its way in the United States?
Well, it currently exists in the United States. And what's unique about this in China is that medicine in China is in many ways very different than medicine in the U.S. So this represents a partnership to bring this specific technology, which already exists in countries like the U.S. and also in Europe, to China for the first time.